go. Alright. Can you hold this like this and just film as we're going?
Sure.
But you gotta hold it like this so you don't hold it like that, yeah. So you don't get your, so film all of this.
Okay.
There, go like this. Here, I got it now. Let me just switch gears. Alright, let me see it. Little quad ride. What's your name? Little quad with Elisa? Elisa. Alright. Look at how beautiful that is. Yep, the wine. This is the wine building right here. That's the one building. Mountains over there. There's another little building right there. Right there. There's all this. Starts part of the vineyard right here. This is part of the vineyard. There's one of the wine tasting houses right here. You guys are on camera. Seriously. Do you need us to take stuff? Do you need us to take anything?
No, maybe I'll truck here.
What you getting? How much wine you getting?
4 times 4 is 16.
Okay, don't touch anything, okay?
16 things.
This is one of the wine buildings here. This is where it all happens.
The facility.
This is where everything happens. Kathy Joe, when you're doing wine, you come out here, right?
What?
You help make the wine?
Yeah.
I want to see you guys make it one time.
Okay.
Got to come like 2 months, right? Like 2-3 months. What do you do? Everything? Oh, the grapes go up into there?
The juice does.
Oh, where's the grapes go? How do you get the juice from the grapes?
With a machine.
Where's the machine?
It's
Not here.
No, not here. Not
Oh,
right
okay.
now.
Gotcha. Hello. All right, cool. That is one. One. Okay. Got all that back there. Let's put this thing in gear. Switch gears and film. Look at this.
Wow.
Isn't that gorgeous?
That's cool.
There's the main barn. There's more vineyards. Yeah. American POW flag flying. There's the main barn. I just filmed your whole barn. Say hi. You're getting filmed. Did you find hey, did you find the cats?
Yeah.
Where are they?
We have all of them.
Where are they in there?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Let me see if we can. I saw one of them.
Wait, say hi to the camera.
Ow.
Where are they? These are the cats all the kids been hanging out with. Did you get them, Ryan?
And the mom was there.
Where are they? Let's see them. I got you guys on film. Go ahead, Ryan. Pick them up.
You gotta pick him up. He's on film. They're on film.
Okay, Ryan. Let's see. Come closer. What's the kitty's name? Schmuggles? Hi, Schmuckins. Did the band start yet? Let's go see if the band started. John's born. You know what, dude? I'm going to take a rest on the quad. I want to hear the band, and I want to get some food. And, yeah, I'll take you later, I promise, okay? I promise.
I'm just getting the helmet on just in case.
Okay, you get the helmet on just in case. You guys rolling?
We're out.
Where are you going, home?
Homeward bound.
Yeah, I'll be leaving in a couple hours.
All right, brother.
You guys are on film like
Have a safe
rock
trip.
stars.
Have a safe trip.
Take care. You too. Thank you. You're on camera. Don't say anything bad.
Please don't.
You're not.
You're not anything. I look bad.
Look bad.
Come on,
So what's wrong with you?
I do look great.
This is the wine tasting room. Right here. This is where it all happens.
$3 for it.
What?
$3.
$3. Why holler?
You want $3?
Hi, he does.
Get a little wave. Little.
Hey now. Hey now. I like
Yes?
all day.
There's little Bugsy.
Gotta get her nails done.
Run. Run. What you looking for, buddy? Come on, I'm gonna put this on Facebook.